Hi guys, good morning. It's Ezzy again, and today is my birthday. I'm so happy. We're finally going to move from this hotel to the other hotel. It's our third day and our last full day here in Coron, which is why I'm also super sad about that. But it's okay, we can always go back. Our plan for today, we're actually super hungry. It's almost 10 a.m. and we haven't had our breakfast yet, so we're probably gonna eat breakfast first, and then after that we are going to move to check into the other hotel and just check the amenities, maybe swing by the pool. Sorry if I'm like moving the camera too much because I'm just not used to my makeup. I feel like there's something wrong about it, but I'm also in my luteal phase, so maybe maybe that's why. We need to stay positive because it's my birthday. It's my birthday and have to be still and just think happy thoughts.
Ganan ani murag suka man. Maumutan ako.
Hi guys! Welcome to our room. Come in. This is basically the room. We have a king size bed here, good for 2 or 3 depending on how big you are. We also have the TV. Okay. And then here you have this, I don't know what setup is this. And then you have the balcony. Wow! You can open it up here. And here on the other side, we have this area. Pwede tayong umupo, kumain, mag-aral, mag-work. We also have the coffee machine, complimentary coffee machine. Ito, and then water. Dalawa yan kanina, pero kinuha ko na yung isa. And meron din tayo safe para sa mga importanteng mga gamit. And then where we can hang our clothes, may mga hangers. And of course, the mirror. Say hi! Kita ka naman the mirror and our cameraman. Kita natin ang sink. Super nice na sink nila. Para siyang stone. Shower essentials, hand soap, lotion, toothbrush, meron din siya. And in this area, meron ang toilet. Dito ang toilet natin. And the other side, we have the shower.
Hindi siya anak di. Oh, di kapuyo siya bino. Ang mama bi.
ma'am. Good afternoon po.
Hi.
Ma'am, meron tayong factory first, ma'am. You want to visit first po, downstairs, ma'am.
Factory. So, dito niyo po makikita kung paano natin pinaprocess yung aming mga product. So, kasi po ay 90% sa buong Palawan. Ito na po yung pinaka-main product ng Palawan, kasuri. Wide po siya ng bunga. Start po ng January hanggang May po yung season niya. Summer season lang po siya. So, first process, ita-dry po yung seeds ng 3 days. Sila po ay gagamit ng plastic o gloves dahil yung lahat. After niya mabalatan, katulad na po ng nasa plastic, yan naman po ay hugasan ng 10 times or higit pa. Higit ng cotton.
At with garlic po, ito naman po pangalawa sa bestseller namin po. Meron naman po kaming maramihan, ma'am. Kung marami pong papasalubungan nyo naman, meron po kaming 20 plus 8 for only 1,000.
Pida, nakachinelas tayo. Nakachinelas. Back to the taas area. Paano yung pawis niya? Pero makita na namin. Almost there. Ito yung pawis namin, guys. Hindi kami ready. Nakapang-hiking. What's your name?
Bye-bye.
Yo, awa. Asa man ang lion? Dili man ni sila. Sila funny lion.
Banda ang light. Yan na.
Ikaw na mapili. Hindi ko man kailangan.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po.
Morning, guys. Oh my gosh. I think my last update was when we were at the town or something. But yesterday we had our dinner at Panilayon Hunt restaurant. And then I had a crash out because everything was just going wrong, but it's okay. And then we went to get a drink at a bar and then went home after. It looks so bad because I don't have sleep. I literally just got off from work and my bag, eye bags are just crazy right now. I look so bloated. I haven't cooked yet. Ugh. That's why I look like this and so tired. I miss my cats, but I also don't want to go home yet. Like, I feel like 4 days is just too short for our trip, but I had a great time. Now we're just going to get breakfast in our hotel, and then after that I will try to get like 2 hours of sleep maybe, and then we'll swim in the pool because our checkout time is at 12 and our ticket is our flight is at 3:40 p.m. So yeah, we'll just get our breakfast right now, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.
Sugar Spanish bread.
Mag-relax ka ba? Relax. I-relax mo. Sabay ba?